welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to use variable and global variables on Asterisk Dialplan context. Asterisk can help you define your own patterns for call flow that will help regulate any unfrozen changes and optimize your communication system. Asterisk can use global, shared, and channel specific variable for arguments to commands. There are variables that Asterisk automatically introduces. At first, I am going to check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. I am already installed Asterisk on my Ubuntu machine. Now I am going to check the status of the Asterisk. Asterisk status is active and running. Now I am going to use variables and global variables on Asterisk Dialplan context. Before that, I am show the endpoints and Dialplan. For that, I move to the directory. I am already creating 3 endpoints. Now I am going to show the dial plans. Here is the dial plan in the extension.conf file. Now we are going to use variables on dial plans. Variables are two types, global variable and channel variable. First we are going to see the global variables. I am entering here one variable, that is ring time. I am set it 30 seconds. This is global variable. Now I am used that variables here. And also I used the same variable for another dial plan also. And also I used that variable here. If I mention the top of the dial plan, I can use it for all the dial plans. This is global variable. Now I'm going to save the file and exit. Now I'm going to log into the Asterisk CLI mode. Now I'm going to reload dial plan. Dial plan reloaded. This is a procedure to use variable on Asterisk. Now I am exit from the Asterisk CLI mode. Again I am go to the extension.conf file. If I want to increase the ring time only for 167 dial plan means I'm enter the variable here, set ring equal to 40. Now I mentioned here ring. This variable is only used for 167 dial plan. It's not used for 168 or 169. This this is going to end after the channel going to end. Now I'm going to save the file and exit. Now again I'm going to log into the Asterisk CLI mode. Now reload the dial plan. Dial plan reloaded successfully. These are the procedure to use variables on Asterisk dial plan.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.